Close your eyes. Say along with me. Okay, children? Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind. You beneath the flight. Yes, you define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, children, it's over. Are you ready for the aerobics? Yes? Say all of you. Say yes, ma'am. Are you waiting for the aerobics, children? Yes, right? Let's start now. Okay, fine, fine. All stand up. Stand up all. Yes, all ready for the aerobics? Yes, ready. Come on, start. Ready. Jump. Letitia, come on, do. Stop. Yes, all come back and sit. Good children. All sit. Okay, all are tired after doing exercise? Are you tired, children? Yes? When you drink some water, come on, get some water and drink. means get some water and drink. Good, 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 good. Yes. Drink water and get ready to the session. Okay? Very nice, children. Very nice. Yes. Okay. Come and sit in your place. All come and sit in your place. Fine, children. Enough, Samira. Enough. Dancing and all got over. Yes, good. Okay, this is the rhyme session. What is it? Rhyme session. Already we learned so many rhymes, right? Today I'm going to sing ABCD rhyme, 1, 2, buckle my shoes rhyme, and 5 little ducks rhyme. Okay? Yes, all should sing along with me, children. Are you ready? Okay, fine. Sing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, X, Y, Z, butter on a bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me and I will teach you ABC. Yes, children? Yes, very nice song, ABCD song. Shall we sing again? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, butter on a bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me and I will teach you ABC. Yes. Very good. What's the second rhyme I said? 1, 2, buckle my shoes. Okay, shall we sing? Yes, if you know the song means sing along with me. Come on. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the doors. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Yes, very good. Come on, sing again. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, shut the doors. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay. What's the next rhyme I said? What's the next rhyme? Yes, of course. Srinija, very cute. What is it? What is it, children? Duck. Yes? Yes, how many ducks are there? How many ducks ma'am have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ducks I have? It's 5 ducks. Yes. 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. but only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But no, there is no little ducks come back that day. Now little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But all the 5 little ducks came back. Yes, right, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, how many ducks are there? 5 little ducks. All came back. Okay, children? Yes, very nice. Next, ma'am is going to tell you another one song. What is that? Yes, Humpty Dumpty. Did you hear the song Humpty Dumpty? Yes. See? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put the Humpty Dumpty together again. Yes, see? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Yes, children? Okay, fine, 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 fine. Yes. Next, I'm going to teach you the post office, a concept of a post office. Yes? Did you ever seen anywhere the post office, children? Did you see? Yes? Yes, I'll show the picture of post office. Okay, children? Yeah. In the post office, we can post the letter. From that post office, the postman deliver our letters to our house. Okay. What is the job of the postman? He deliver our letters and post. Okay, children? Yes. What is this, children? What is it? This is a post office. Yes. The post office people will work in the post office. Okay. What they'll do now? What is their work, you know? They will sort out the post letters and parcels by the area wise. Yes. People are staying in different places now. So, they'll collect all the letters from the post box. This is what? Post box. What is it? Post box. Yes, they'll collect all the post from this. We will post in the post box only. Okay. We will put the letters in the post box. The postman come and collect the post from the post box and he'll submit in the post office. Okay. He surrender in the post office. This is the postman. And there they will sort out the post in the area wise and they'll send through the post to the postman. The postman will come and give to our houses. Okay. This is the postman's work. Okay, children. Nowadays we are sending SMS through the phone, no? Like that we will send the message through the post letter. Okay, letter. And we can send goods too in the parcel. Okay. to the parcel. This is the post office. See, people are working there. This is the postmaster, I think. He's the postmaster. He's the postman. One who delivers our letter. There are social workers, children. Who are they? They are the social workers. They are known as the social workers, like a milkman, doctor, engineer. Yes, right. Like postman is also our social worker. This is the post office. Got it, children? Yes, the postman collecting the letter from the post box, and he delivers the letters to our houses. Yes, this is the postman. What is the job of the postman, you know? Yes, this is the post box. Okay, this is the post box and this is the post office. Okay, children, got it? Yes, yes, very good. Yes, did you saw the post office, children? Did you see the post office? Yes? Yes. Who will deliver our letters? Can you say who will deliver our letters? Yes? Yes, who will deliver our post? Letters, parcels and all? Anyone you want to say? Yes, postman deliver our letters. Yes. Farheen, where will we put our letters? Post our letters. Yes, in the letter box or post box. Yes, right? Wow, what is that, Shivanya? What is that? Is that a postcard? Letter. Very good. Can you hold up and show? Yes, inland letter. Yes, in that letter only people will write the messages. Okay. Nowadays we are simply sending through the SMS mobile phone, right? How mommy will send the message to others? How ma'am will send the message to you?
WhatsApp.
Yes, nowadays we are using mobile phone, right? In the mobile phone we are sending all the messages, photos, everything. Yes, guys. Before and all, people used to send through the letters. Messages sent through the letters. And parcel, nowadays also parcels are sent through the post only, right, children? Yes, okay. Now you got it right. Srinija, who will come and collect the letters from the post box? Who will come and collect the letters? Yes? Postman, very good. Unmute your mic and say louder. Yeah. Yes, the postman will come and collect the letter. Where they yes, very good, dear. Where they will sort out the letters? Where they will sort out the letters, children?
Post office.
Yes. Post office. They will sort. Yes, children. Yes, correct. Yes, they will sort out the letters in the post office and sending the letters through the area-wise postman. Okay? Who will deliver our letters? Madhu, say. Madhuvanti. Madhu, who will deliver our letters? Postman. Very good, super. The postman delivers our letter, okay? Who's the head of the post office?
Head of the post office.
Yes, Vasha. Vasha, are you sleeping, Vasha? Who's the head of the post office? Arya, say, who's the head of post office? Yes, the postmaster. Saimira, you know who is postmaster? Saimira. Yes, Latiksha, say who's the postmaster? Yes, he's the head of the post office, right? Head of the post office, the postmaster. Yes, yes. So you got it now? We will post the letter and we will put the letters in the post box. The postman will collect the all the letters and surrender in the post office. There they will sort out the letters by the area wise and send it to the postman. The postman will come and deliver our letters. Got it? Clear, right? All clap your hands. Clear means yes. All clap, 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 clap. Yes, yes, yes. Shall we go? Shall we play indoor game, children? Are you ready to play with me?
Yes.
Yes. Can you bring the less quantity of water from in a bucket?
Bucket.
Yeah.
Bucket.
Bring some water.
Ma'am, what should we bring?
Water in the bucket. Very less enough. Tub or something, bowl or something. Yes, bring some water.
Ma'am,
Yes,
what should they bring, ma'am?
water, ma. Not audible. Am I not audible?
Now it's audible, ma'am.
Yes,
Tell us, ma'am.
water. Bring some water in a bowl or bucket or basin, something.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Children, are you ready to play with me? Yes? Yeah, bring some water. Keep it beside of you. Yes. Take your toys.
Toys,
Yes, toy. And take a small cup.
Yes, this one.
Yes.
Colorful pot.
Yes. Yes. Very nice, very nice. All are ready, right? Now we are going to give a base
Ma'am,
of
sorry, we got disconnected. What you asked, ma'am?
Yes. Bring some bowl of water and a small cup.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And some toys. They are going to give a bath to their toys. Yes. Are you ready, children?
Yes.
Yes. Take a small cup and take a cup of water and keep your doll in another one bowl and give a bath. Yes. How to bathe your toys? Sorry, you bring 2 bowls. Yes. Yes, Letitia started. Very nice. Give a bath to your babies. Give a bath to your toys. Yes, how are you? Alan, mommy, let him do. Yes. Pour the water on your toy.
Your toy.
Yes, Vasha. Vasha, you carry on. Yes. Give a bath. Wow, very nice. All are enjoying. Very good. You know, this is splish, splash. What is the game? Splish, splash. Yes, right?
Yes.
Wow, very nice, Shivanya. Yes. Very nice. All are doing. Srinija, very nice. Arya, very good. Wash your toy. Yes, sit and wash your toy.
Slowly. Not spill the water.
Don't spill the water. Slowly. Yes. Wow, very nice. After a wash, take a towel and wipe your doll. Very nice, Farheen. Good. Pour the water on the doll. Yes. Get a towel from Mama and wipe the doll. Yes, very nice. Take the next doll and give a bath. Pour water and put on the doll.
Put on doll.
Yes, dear. Shower your doll.
Shiva.
Shower. Very nice. Wow. Super. Samira, I can't see your face, Samira. Are you bathing? Your baby? Yes, very good, very good. Arya, wash your baby. Baby, your baby. Yes, yes, yes. Take a towel and wipe for him. Wipe your doll. Very good, Madhvanti. Kesha?
Finish.
Finish, Srinija. Good job, good job. Only one doll you have, Srinija?
Yes.
Yes, okay, okay, no problem. Very good, very good.
Mommy.
So, children, you have to daily wash your toys. All the toys you must wash, okay? Whatever you are using while playing time, that you have to wash and wipe and keep it in a proper place. This is your duty. Yes, right?
Shower, Amma.
Yes, shower your baby. And wipe it with towel, dry towel, and keep it aside. Adan, super Adan. Yes, 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 yes. Very nice to see you all. Okay, this game is known as Splish Splash. Okay, splishing and splashing. Don't put powder on dolls. So this is the way to clean up your toys, children. Okay. Okay, okay. Now wind up your play. Wind up your play and come and sit in your play. No, Arya. Arya, don't drink. This is a dirty water, you know. Yes. Very good, very good, very good.
Enough, Mama, enough.
Yes, enough, enough. It's enough. Good children. Yes, yes. Okay, wind up all. Wipe your hands. Wipe your hands and come and sit. Good, good, good. Clean up your place. Very good, very good. So you enjoyed, right? Now ma'am is going to teach about the concept of cube and cuboid. You know cube, children? Do you know cube? Yes? I'll show you what is cube, okay? And cuboid. Okay? Already we learned all the four shapes like square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. Now ma'am is going to teach you cuboid, cube and cuboid. Okay children, what is it? This is a cube. What is it? This is a cube. See, cube is a another version of square. Okay, 6 faces of square makes a cube. Yes, right? I'll show you how many faces are there in the cube. Yes, cube has, when you open the cube, it will be looks like this. Yes, right? Okay, it has 6 square faces. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 square faces makes a cube. Okay. See, for example, yeah, this is a cube. This is a play. It's a plaything, right? Please mute your mic, parent. It's a plaything, right? You know cube? Yes. Do you have with you? Many of you will have this, right? Yes. The boxes, gift boxes, cube shape. What is the shape of this gift box? Cube. See, it has 6 faces. 1, 2, the back side 3, this back side 4, and top side 5, and the bottom side 6. It has 6 faces. This is the shape of cube. And it is a cuboid. Cuboid is the 3D version of 3-dimensional shape of rectangle. Yes. See this one side. One side it is a rectangle shape. Am I right? Yes. It has 6 sides. Like when we open the cube, we will get 6 rectangular shapes, children. Yes. I'll show you. Yes. See. What is the shape of these boxes? A rectangular box. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1, 5, down 1, 6. Cuboid has 6 faces like cube. Cube also have 6 faces and cuboid also have 6 faces. This is the 3D shape of square and rectangle. So, what is that shape is known as? Cuboid. I'll show you some example. What is this? What is this, children? You know what is it? Don't know? It's a jewelry box. Jewelry box. What is the shape of this box? Cuboid. What is the shape of this box? Cuboid. And what is this? Sponge. Yes? Scrub or sponge or something. Yes? It is the shape of cuboid. Yes, right? What is this? Brick. What is it? Brick. What is the shape of brick? Cuboid shape. It has 6 faces. And some example of cube is dice. Okay. This is also a dice, playing dice. Shape of cube. This is the shape of cuboid. What is the shape of this box, children? What is the shape of this box? Can you say? Unmute your mic and say, what is the shape of this box?
Cube.
Very good. The cube shape. What is the shape of this box?
Louder.
Cuboid.
Very good. It's cuboid.
Thank
Thank you, children. The cuboid shape. This is the cube shape. This is
Cuboid.
cuboid. Cuboid shape. What is the shape of this die?
Square சொல்லு.
Bullet.
Cube சொல்லு.
Oh, yes, cube. Right, children? Yes, it's cube. What is the shape of this die? Cube. This is also a cube. Yes, okay? Yeah. Yes. Did you see cube and cuboid? Can you differentiate? Yes. How many sides the cube has? Fargin, say. How many sides the cube will have? Say how many sides? Yes. 6 faces, 6 sides. Okay. Yes. 6 sides. Prisha, how many sides the cuboid has? Yes, Prima. How many sides the cuboid has? 6 sides. Say 6 sides. Unmute your mic and say. Jason? Jason? Yes. What are the shapes we have, Jason? What, ma? Ah, yes. Oh, she has cube. Yes. Now, you go and collect one cube shape and cuboid shape object. If you have, can you show me one cuboid shape object? Yes?
This is the one.
Yes. What is that? What shape is that, Shivanya?
Cuboid.
Say, what shape is that?
Cuboid.
Cube or cuboid? Very good, cuboid. Very good, very good. How many faces it has?
Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very nice cuboid shape. See, ma'am has one book. What is the shape of this? Yes, Jira? Yes, yes, the duster. What is the shape of this duster? Very good, cuboid. Yes, Jason, can you show me one thing? Jason? Oh, mummies. Wow. What is the shape of this box?
Cuboid.
Cuboid.
Yes, everyone is showing cuboid. Very good. Kesha? Kesha, can you show me one thing?
Cube.
Kesha?
Amma.
Yes, cube. Yes, dice. Can you show it properly for him?
Cube.
Wow, dice. Farheen has dice. It's a cube shape. Yes, right. Cube shape. Varsha, can you show me one object? In cube or cube shape? Yes, yes, Varsha. Not like this. Cube shape or cuboid shape? Yes, Madhu, can you show me?
Cube.
Yes, yes, cube. Very good. Blocks, cube blocks. Very nice, Madhu. Arya? Arya? Arya, show me one object, Arya. Yes, what is the shape of the duster?
Cuboid.
Yes, what is the shape of this duster?
என்ன ஷேப் இது ஆரியா சத்தமா சொல்லு
Yes, cuboid. Yes. Very good, very good. Srinija. Srinija, can you show me one object? Yes, show me properly. Not seeing Srinija. Yes, show me. What object is that?
Cube.
Cube. Very good, Srinija. Saimira. Saimira, show me one thing.
Cube.
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Give me.
Get it and show. Yes. Alan, show me one thing. Yes, what is the shape of that box, Alan? Cube shape. Very good, Alan. Very nice box. Adam, you show me. Adam, building blocks are what? Cube or cuboid shape? Yes, it's a cube shape. Very good. But it must have 6 phases, okay? Then only it will be a cube or cuboid. Okay, Varsha, show me. What did you get? Varsha? I think Varsha has slept, right? Yes, show me. Yes, what box is that? Is this a cube box or cuboid box? Okay. So, yes, ma'am is going to teach you a 3D song now. Okay? Are you ready to hear me? Yes? All keep your things aside and look at me. Yes, children. Come on, sing along with me. A sphere is like a globe. Yes? You know what is the shape of globe? Like a sphere shape, like a ball shape. Okay? A sphere is like a globe. A sphere is like a ball. Is a 3D shape. Just like a mob. Can you sing along with me, children? A sphere is like a globe. Show your hands like this. A sphere is like a globe. A sphere is like a ball. Is a 3D shape. Just like a mob. A cube is like a box. You're all having box, right? A cube is like a box. A cube is like a dice. Is a 3D shape. Just like a ice. Yes, ice cube. What is the shape of ice? You know, cube shape. Yes. After the session, you go and check in your freezer. Okay, there will be ice cubes, right? It will be in a cube shape. Okay. Just like a cuboid is a brick. A cuboid is like a block. Is a 3D shape. And it's just like a matchbox. Yes, right. And it is like a matchbox. Can we sing again? A sphere is like a globe. A sphere is like a ball, is a 3D shape, just like a mop. A cube is like a box, a cube is like a dice, is a 3D shape, just like a ice. A cuboid is like a a cuboid is like a brick. A cuboid is like a block. Is a 3D shape, just like a matchbox. Yes, children. I hope you were all enjoyed this session. Am I right? Am I right, children? Shall we do some workbook exercise? Yes, all take your workbook. Come on, take your workbook one. Yes, page number D45. Yes, page number D45. Yes, D45. What letter is given in this page D45? Okay, not this one. D45, letter G is there, that you have to take it as a homework. Okay. Now G45LT. Take this page. G45LT. Now it has given the letters B, D, F and G. Yes, children? Now you are going to circle the object along the sound of this letter. Okay, right? What is the first letter, children? The first letter is B, right? Okay. The first letter is B, no, children. You have to circle the B sound word in this row. What is the first object? It's egg. Egg. What's the sound of egg? What's the second object? It's a fox. Fox. What's the sound of fox? Fox. What's the third object? It's a bottle. What's the sound of bottle? Bottle. So you have to circle this picture, bottle. Okay? Got it? Now the second letter is D. D. What's the first one? Arms. 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 It's not matched with letter D. Yes, right. What's the second one? Axe. Axe or hammer. Something. So it starts with letter A. Axe. What's the third one? Dinosaur. Yes, what is it? Dinosaur. What's the sound of dinosaur? Dinosaur. So it's matched with D. Okay, now you have to circle the letter D. Sorry, circle the object dinosaur. And then come to the third letter. What is it? F. F. What's the sound of F? F. What's the first one? Yes, bear. Teddy bear. Yes. What's the, very good, Shivanya. But say, what's the sound of B? Bear sound. What sound it makes, bear? Yes, can you say, children? What is the sound of bear? Say bear. What is this? Flower. What's the sound of flower? Flower. If flower. So have to circle this. Flower.
Round பண்ணு.
Yes. Yes. What is the third one? What's the third one?
Feather.
The feather or quill? Feather. Yes, feather. Okay, have to feather has the sound of. So have to circle. If. And the last row, G. G. What's the sound of G? G. G. Yes, G. G. What's the first object? Goat. Goat. Is this matching with the letter G? Yes, goat has the sound of G. G. Yes. So have to circle this. And the second one is axe. A sound. Third one is box. Box. So those not match with letter G. Have to circle only this G. Yes, right, children? The previous page you take it as a homework. Letter G have to write and complete and write. Right. Yes? Yeah. You finish this means go to next page. Yes, there is so many objects are there, right? This side they have given some dots. This side they have given some objects. Yes, right? Yes. So how many dots in the right side? In the left side? It is 2 dots. 1, 2. So you have to count the dots first and go along with these pictures where it is 2 objects. And then you have to draw a line. Got it? How many dots are there? 1, 2. Okay? 2 dots are there. So check the objects where is in 2 in number. Yes? This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's not match. 1, 2, 3 balloons, not match. 1 flower, not match. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bats, it's also not match. 1, 2. Yes, it has 2 forks. So draw a line to this fork. Okay? Okay. Draw a line to this fork to 2 dots. The second one has 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where is the object 4 object? Can you count and say? Yes, the bat is 4 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this bat has 4. So you have to connect these two. Okay? Yes. And the third box, it has 1, 2, 3 dots. Where is the picture 3 in number? Yes, it is balloons or 3. 1, 2, 3. So match these two. These two you have to match. And then next box, it has only 1 dot. Yes, rose is in only 1 number. So have to match these two. These two you have to match. And the last box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Where is the object 5 in number? Yes, cups are 5 in number. So have to match these cups to this dot. Okay? Make it, children. The next page, this you have take it as a homework. Okay? Have to trace number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, clear, children? Okay. Yes, you got it right? 2 page, take it as a homework, and 2 we were finished in the session. Okay? So, page number D45 LT. This page is the letter G. Have to complete at the same way 45 MT. This also you have to complete. Okay, children? This also you have to complete. These 2 pages, take it as a homework. Yes, right, children. So all are seems to be very tired now. Okay, ma'am too. I'm going to close this session. Okay, children. Thank you very much. We'll meet you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye, dear.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.